Good morning, everybody. So this morning you're going to be seeing what's this called? Stuffed pepper soup. Now I'm not putting rice in this, so please don't think that I am. You're going to see what I'm doing, and I'm going to leave the link down below as to where I got the recipe from. Now what I'm putting in here right now is 2 pounds of ground beef. So I can fry that up. The recipe calls for onions, but as many of you know, I don't cook with onions. So I'm just going to get this fried up, and I will bring you guys back for the next step. Okay, so I have the meat. It's not fully cooked yet, but I'm not going to drain the fat off of mine. If you're going to drain the fat off of it, then I would recommend fully cooking it and then continuing on. But I'm not. I never do. So I got 6 cups of chopped up peppers here. That's going in the pot. Oh, doesn't that just... Okay. Alright, so we got that in there now and mixed up. We're going to add some tomato paste. The recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. I'm okay if it's actually too much tomato paste because I like tomato. And then we need a quart of tomato sauce and a quart of diced tomatoes. I have neither. So I'm going to add in 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And then I'm going to add in another jar of crushed tomatoes. Alright, I'm going to get that in there, get that all stirred up. And then I'm going to bring you guys right back. Okay, so now I need 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And what was it? 1.5, I think. Oh, no, sorry. 1 teaspoon of basil. And then some canning salt. I imagine you can use regular salt in this if you wish, because it's really not going to make all that much of a difference. And we need some beef stock or beef broth, whichever you have. This is where we're going to make it soupy. Let's set that there for now. Yeah, I definitely need the second one. Oh, I was supposed to use chicken stock in this. Ah! Whoops! Oh well. We're using beef. Well, what does it really matter, right? It's ground beef, so it's not going to make all that big of a difference. I hope. I think this will be alright, actually. Okay, so I'm going to let this finish cooking and get heated up, and then I'm going to give it a taste. So we'll be back in a bit. Okay, so we've got the, hot. So I've got the soup all done. Now I just need my ladle. Okay. So now what we're going to do, now I did end up by putting the rest of the tomato paste in, and I think it's perfect. It didn't need anything else. The recipe calls for sugar, I didn't add it because I don't add sugar to my soups or anything, so if you feel you need to, go ahead. What I'm gonna do is fill the jars. I don't even have my canner ready. I got too many things on the go here. Alright. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, now I'm back. Canner is ready to go now. So now we want to debubble that. You want to make sure you have a good inch space. You want to wipe the rim. And because this has meat and that in it, I'm using vinegar. Oh, I got a cut on my finger. Oh, okay. So we're going to wipe the rim down, give it a good cleaning. Get a jar lifter, or a lid lifter. Because we are so put together this morning. Put a lid on it, put a ring on it, and then into the canner for 75 minutes, because this is a pint. If it were quarts, it'd go in for 90 minutes. So we'll be back when these are all out of the canner, and when I put a new battery in. And there we go. I got 11 pints of the soup. They just pulled out of the canner. All of them have sealed. They don't really look all that pretty in the jar. It looked really good when it was being done, but not so much in the jar, but that's okay. It needs to be shaken and stirred and stuff, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will leave the link down below, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.